Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on and use voice typing on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all we need to do is we need to go to settings, which is right here. Then we scroll down all the way here and click system. Then we click keyboard, then on-screen keyboard, Gboard, and here we click voice typing and we turn it on. To use it, all you need to do is, for example, click here. Hello, show me kittens. As you can see, it works. And let me talk. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.